Hi there, I'm Lisa. Welcome back to my channel. On Mondays, if you are new, I like to do a Motivational Monday video, something to get you inspired and motivated for the week. Today I'm going to be doing another declutter video. My bathroom has got really messy lately. The cupboard underneath where the sink goes, that's where I tend to keep all my toiletries, my makeup, anything like that. And I do have an organising system in place, but it's kind of overflowing right now and I can't even close the door. I'll show you in a moment. I've been to Poundland, I've purchased baskets, and I'm going to go in and give it a really ruthless declutter. I need to improve the system and I need to get rid of a load of stuff. So I hope you will enjoy this video with me today. Please do subscribe if you like this kind of thing. I do a lot of organising, all the home stuff. I love to cook, I love to create, and we are a Disney family as well. I keep all my Disney and trip planning videos for the weekend and the rest of the videos during the week. So if you like this kind of thing as well, please do subscribe. It doesn't cost anything to subscribe. It's completely free. You click the button and it just tells you when I've uploaded my next video. It's as easy as that. So thanks again for watching and enjoy. Let's go and check out that cupboard. So this is the cupboard under the sink where I keep all my toiletries, my makeup and everything, and I'm going to show you inside at how bad it is. So the cupboard no longer closes properly. And like I said, there was an organising system in place here, but I've just stuffed so much into this cupboard now that there's just too much, and I need to go through and actually declutter and throw out a load of stuff and actually organise it better. The lighting in here is really bad, and being on the bathroom floor there isn't much space, so I think the best thing to do is empty the whole lot. I've laid a towel out on my bed. I'm going to empty it there, give the cupboard a good clean, and then I'm going to go through with what I want to keep and what I can bin. So the cupboard's empty and I'm going to use this Method bathroom cleaner. It's water mint, and give it a good clean. And this is everything that I have just taken out of that teeny weeny cupboard. There's a lot of stuff. I've got the new storage baskets out. I've got some empty jars. I always keep jars. They're really good for storage, so I might use those. And I've got a box to put the rubbish in. And I have just checked and those baskets fit perfectly. I've swapped out the white ones. These were in my studio, and the navy blue ones are going to go in there. I just think it all looks a bit nicer when it's the same colour. So looking through, I've got loads of these types of toothbrushes. They're just cheap packs from Primark. I always used to keep them as emergency toothbrushes for when the kids had sleepovers or when my sister and family would come, as a lot of the time people forget toothbrushes and I can just easily give them one. I also take these away when we go abroad, just if we're staying overnight in places. They're just quick and easy, and especially if you don't want much luggage, you can just bin them after using them for a couple of days. I've got 5 packs down to 2. I've got one in our travel bag ready for when we go away, and I had a couple or 3 in those, and I've just managed to put them all in the same packs. So 5 packs are now 2. I have absolutely no idea what these are. I'll put them to one side and ask my husband. I picked up these in Poundland ages and ages ago. They're curlers. I don't curl my hair, but if you roll them over bobbly woolen sweaters, they take the bobbles off. However, I don't need the whole pack, so I'm just going to keep one. I've taken my hair pieces out, the bits like my mousse and my sprays for my hair, and I've put them in the cupboard. I'm going to start putting bits together, so all my face bits and pieces, they can go in one basket. I've got nail polish remover. I do actually have a whole little bag made up of like foot treatments, so I'm actually going to put that one in there. I might also put some bits in my travel bag. I've noticed travel wash, I've got fake tan, so I've actually got travel bags in another cupboard, so I'm going to put those together as well. I always keep a bowl of nail polishes. I'm going to go through loads of these I've had for years. I'm going to go through, and all the sticky ones, or the ones that don't open anymore, I can get rid of those as well. That's all going in the to bin pile. I'm now going to go through this basket here and again just see what I can get rid of. And I didn't know I had all these hairbands. I'd only recently bought some. That's another thing, when you have a good sort out, you find things you've forgotten you've got. And that's everything that was in that little basket. I've got loads of little samples of things and they're really handy. It's a shame to get rid of them. So rather than just have them, like I've recently lost this little concealer that I love, I'm actually going to place them in a salsa jar. It's quite wide, it's not overly deep, but then hopefully I can keep track of them and I know exactly where the smaller things are. I've also got a whole bag of bits and pieces. I used to get the Sephora Play boxes. I've also had a few Birch boxes, which is where I get most of the little samples from. So again, I'm going to go through this, and I'm also creating a donate section as well. These are all brand new, and again, bits and pieces that I've received from boxes that I'm not going to use, so I'm going to pass them on to my sister. I've got these two big like toiletry bags. They're really dusty, they need a good clean. My sister bought me them ages and ages ago, and I do use them every time we go away, but I've got so much stuff in here, so I'm going to go and give them a good going through, empty them and clean them. That's bag number 1 done. I'm now going to move on to bag number 2. And bag number 2, you can see where my weakness is. Toothbrushes, lip glosses, and definitely hairbands. I've even ended up finding 3 nail brushes, and I don't even use a nail brush. That's my husband. So I think we can get down to 1. I'm also finding a lot of brand new makeup products where I've bought them in the sales. And now I'm going to go through this basket here. More hairbands I see, and I think could even be more toothbrushes. That is everything from those 2 makeup bags, those 2 toiletry bags, and that 1 basket. I've gone through everything, grouping it together, and I can really see where I don't need to top up. Got loads of deodorant. I only buy that in the States, so that's why I've got quite a few of those. But like I said, makeup I purchase when it's on offer. I definitely don't need any foundation for a while. I've found 3 of my face bases. I've got loads of stuff. This is so old, I can bin that. Virgin V, when did they stop running? Goodness knows how many years ago. I don't like the sweet cherry pie hand cream. Loads of toothbrush ends. I've just got duplicates of so many different things and just stuff that's really old. And goodness knows how many hairbands. So I think I'm going to start dwindling it down, and let's see what I can bin. I even found a Mickey Mouse pin. That's really cute. I'm also finding lots of Neosporin. I buy this in the States as well, as I always struggle with bites. Bonjela, my son's prone to mouth ulcers, and he gets quite nervous about things as well, so we've got rescue spray. These are all due to this being my travel bag as well, so I do need to do a bit of a first aid cupboard. I keep all the first aid in the kitchen, actually, in a cupboard up high, so I think I need to do that cupboard, as that one's got really out of control as well, and I know we've got really old medicines and things like that. If that would be of interest to you, seeing like the first aid cupboard and all that kind of thing being decluttered, let me know, because I may well do one of those videos. If it does interest you, let me know, leave a comment, and that could be something that I do next week. I've also got a lot of things like this that I just use when I'm traveling, so I'm actually going to clean out one of those travel bags and just pop the items like this inside, because they'll be really handy when we're getting ready to go away in the summer. I've used glass jars for hairbands, hair grips, got cotton buds, and I've also put all the hairbands onto the boards here that they came on. I've got so many toothbrushes there at the back. I'm now going to go through my makeup bags. I've washed out the other bags and they're now drying. This is my everyday makeup, and these are just bits and pieces that I sort of dip into every now and then. I'm going to make piles and see exactly what I've got. And that's the contents of both makeup bags. I've already seen a lot that I can get rid of. We've got some really old nasty lip glosses there. They can definitely go. Some bronzers that I don't use anymore, and there's quite a few bits, and that pile can definitely go. I did find though my Green Day wristband. It's quite exciting when we were front row of Green Day. Definitely keep that. And these makeup bags need a really, really good clean. I've also found these little organza bags with beads. I used to wear bracelets all the time, but I don't anymore. So these can go in the donate pile. And I found this necklace that my sister had made for me. I absolutely love this. It's a little photo of us, but the clasp is broken, so I'm going to see if I can fix that. Now, whilst I'm going to go through my makeup, I actually remember I've got this plant pot on the top, on the work surface in the bathroom where I keep bits and pieces. I'm going to go through this. I have to keep my NARS lip gloss upright. Even upright, it leaks all the time. It's always been like this, and it's so messy. It's an expensive product. Has anyone else ever had trouble with this? It really, really drives me mad. No matter how many times I wipe it, it's just always messy. And because it's lip gloss, it's really, really sticky. If you have any suggestions to stop this, please leave a comment below. And that's the contents of this little pot, all of which I can give a good wipe over and definitely clean out the pot too. Something that I do always keep is this little bag here. It was gifted to me years ago. It's a Body Shop gift set, and I have added to it since, but I've got little scissors, I've got tweezers, nail clippers, and a nail file, and I've added to it pencil sharpener and more nail files as well. And it's just always handy because I always know exactly where to find things, and it's brilliant for when we travel. It just goes straight in the travel bag. That's all that's going in that pot now, and I've put hand sanitizers in my handbag, so I've got one each in those. That is in the box of rubbish. I've managed to clear out so much stuff. That's my to give to my sister pile, just lots and lots of little samples that I'm not going to use, that haven't been touched. This is all going away now. This is all travel stuff, all bits that I've just found. So we've got toothpaste, we've got hand sanitizer, toothbrushes, we've got obviously then bite cream, everything like that. That's just going to go away now with all the travel stuff. And I've even got bobbly hairbands for when we're at Disney. And something else, actually, whenever I go away, I always take brand new makeup, and obviously I found a fair bit of that. So I've put one of each, my foundation and my face base as well, so that's all ready for the trip. So these are the makeup bags, all clean and tidy. This is everyday makeup that I love to wear all the time, and this is just other makeup that I just sometimes wear. It's nice to have a bit of choice sometimes, isn't it? And this is the finished cupboard. I am so pleased. I've got hair products and skin products in there. I've got nail polishes and all the little bits and pieces in that dish there. I've put my everyday makeup, my makeup bag in that one. And this one, I've got a little pot of lip glosses. I've got deodorants, I've put my hair mousse at the back, and I've got the hair bits and pieces like the little sprays there. Then I've got the basket here, hair grips, hair bands, cotton buds, more hair bands, and the toothbrushes. And then this one, I've ended up putting the surplus, the brand new makeups there. I did end up putting nail varnish there because quite often I use that, so rather than get the nail bag out, more hairspray, and just the other makeup bag that I sometimes wear. So I'm really, really pleased with that. Have got other cupboards to go through, but I'm not going to do those today. And in case you're wondering, my husband does have his own cupboard, and I might go give that a going through as well, but I'm certainly not doing that today either. I hope you've enjoyed this video today, a little bit of decluttering and cleaning, reorganizing. I'm so happy that I've done this today. And let me know if you'd like that other decluttering video, going through all the medicines and all the first aid, that kind of thing, and I can do that for you as well. And let me know, have you been doing any decluttering these last few weeks? Are you getting into spring cleaning? What have you been cleaning out, or what do you still need to do? I thought I had actually done my whole kitchen. I'd completely forgotten about like the first aid cupboard. I think because it's high up, I don't notice it because I'm only short, but it really, really needs doing, and it's kind of playing on my mind a bit now, so I think that will be my next project. So yes, let me know what kind of cupboards and rooms, all that kind of thing, have you been decluttering. I hope you've enjoyed this video today. Thank you so much for watching, and please do subscribe if you are new. Take care, have a great week. I've got, oh, it's my birthday this week, so I was going to do a birthday vlog midweek, and I've got a few things planned. And then Friday, I had a really good Poundland shop last week actually when I bought the storage basket, so I'm planning to share that with you because I had some really good buys, and I've tried and tested a few products as well since. And then Saturday I've got a really fun video for you, so I hope you are excited about the week because I certainly am. Take care, have a lovely week, and I'll see you on Wednesday. Bye! Just thought I'd share, look, the cupboard closes now. I'm really pleased. And that's the top of the cupboard there, and that's my little corner where I keep my plant pot and my everyday bits and pieces and all my body sprays. It just looks so much tidier now.